Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. This bike's got just a little under 11,500 miles on it and is pretty much all stock and in excellent condition. Let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike's been very well maintained and very well taken care of. Haven't really found any damage on it whatsoever. Front tire's still in good shape. Got a lot of mileage left on that. Paint's in excellent condition. A couple of little maybe minor scuffs here and there, but very minimal. A couple here on the exhaust. It does come with soft side saddlebag mounts. We will be putting a new back tire on this bike. Seats, no rips, no tears. Just a good looking middleweight cruiser. $11,470 is what's on it. Oh, shoot. Left it in gear. Operator error. This Spirit 750 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and you guessed it, accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.